Hey guys, get ready with me for a party. First, starting off with brows, I'm using the Kosas Brow Pop Nano and using the spoolie to brush the hairs up. Then I'm lightly drawing a line from the front of my brow to the arch and then using really light feathery strokes to fill them in. Then I'm going to brush the brows down and I'm lightly drawing a line at the top to the arch, then from the arch to the tail. I just love this way of me doing my brows like this. I feel like my brows look really good and I hate my eyebrows. So we're going to keep doing them like this because it's working. Then I'm using the Kosas Air Brow. This is the best brow gel. My brows stay in place all day. Then I love this little Flawless gadget. It cleans up your brows so nicely. I love using it after I do my brows. For eyeshadow primer, I'm using the ColourPop Party Proof Primer. It is the best eyeshadow primer I've ever bought, and it really makes your eyeshadow last. It really is party proof. For the eyes, I'm using the Dreamy Dozen palette from Lawless Beauty and the shade Stellar all over the lid. I was so excited to use this shade. It is gorgeous. Then I'm applying Cola to the crease in circular motions. I like to start off with circular motions just to kind of like build up that color a little bit. Then I kind of do windshield wiper motions. Then I'm going to take Cola and Mahogany and blend that into the crease. Again, I'm kind of doing just like windshield wiper motions and circular motions, just really getting a good blend, just that good smoky eye. I love a good smoky eye. Then I'm going to take a makeup wipe to clean up that outer corner. I love doing that. Then I'm going to take the Ciate Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer to prime the skin. I love this primer. It feels so nice and silky smooth on the skin. I am just obsessed with it. It is so good. Then once that's all blended out on my face, I'm going to take the Makeup Forever HD Skin Hydra Glow Foundation. I love this foundation, you guys. I like to blend it out with a brush first, but this foundation gives you the prettiest glow. I am obsessed with it, and I am so happy that I bought it. It is probably one of my favorite foundations I've ever bought. I'm just so happy I splurged, okay? I'm just really, really glad that I got this. Then I like to go in with a makeup sponge and really blend out the foundation again, just get any excess off. And I also just like to get my nose, and I like to use the excess that's on my hands, and I do like to add a little bit more like to that T-zone area, just because I like more coverage there. Now I'm going to go in with the Dibs Beauty Glow Tour Duo in Pink Cosmos. I just like to use a little bronzer side and put it, you know, where you kind of contour. Then I blend it out with this IBY Beauty Brush. Everything's going to be linked down below, so don't worry. I will link brushes and makeup. And if you have any questions, obviously, leave them in the comments. But I'm just blending this out. It's very easy to blend out. It is so insanely creamy. I love it. I'm sorry you can't see some of this. I haven't filmed to Get Ready With Me on a camera in the longest time. If you like more video, if you want to see more videos like this, let me know. Next for blush, I'm going to go in with the Kaja Beauty Dewy Bar in Strawberry Sorbet. I love this. It's so pretty. And I just put this on my cheeks, my nose, my forehead, and my chin. I love blush. I used to not like blush. Now I love it. It is my absolute favorite step in my makeup routine. For concealer, I'm going in with the NARS Cosmetics Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is such an oldie but a goodie, but I love it. I'm obsessed with it. Again, this is another thing I'm so glad I splurged for. If you have never tried this, I suggest getting the mini and trying it out for yourself. It is so good. I love it. And I really like the shade that I'm using. I don't know how to say it, but I will link it again in the description box if you guys are curious and want to try it out. But I like to use the It Cosmetics brush to blend out the concealer. And then once I blend it out, I kind of do like a rough blend. Once I'm done with that, I do go with my sponge and like really perfect it. I really want to call this makeup tutorial Trust the Process, because you really have to trust the process here. But I just love this concealer. It is so good, and I love blending with a brush and then the sponge. I feel like it just gives you a really nice, like, flawless finish. I just am obsessed, and I love it. And this is just what I've been doing all the time lately. but I really like to use the sponge to really get like in the eye area and stuff too. Next, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder, and I like to tap the excess on the back of my hand, and then I start at the bottom by like my nostril, and then I work my way up towards my eye. This will make your concealer less creasy and cakey looking. I love it. Then I'm going in with Mahogany and Cherry Cola again and just putting this on the lower lash line. I love doing this. I feel like it really ties the look together. I will do it for the rest of my life. I'm not even kidding. Next, I'm taking the Benefit Hoola Bronzer and Too Cool for School Art Class by Rodin shading palette. And I kind of just like to put this on my nose and on my cheekbones as like a little bit of a contour. I don't love doing like a really heavy contour. I also put this on my hairline and sometimes on my jawline. Okay, I did on my jawline today. Then I'm taking this Jasmine Beauty Beachside bronzing powder as my bronzer. I really like this bronzer. I didn't think I was going to like it, but I do. I think it looks really, really pretty on the skin and just really ties everything together. And it just looks so good. And I like to take that excess powder to clean up the bronzer to make it nice and sharp and like kind of like contour my nose. You'll see it at the end. Trust me, trust the process. Next, I'm taking the Kaja Play Bento in Dolce Cappuccino, the blush, and I just put this where I applied the dewy bar on my cheekbones, my nose, everywhere. Then I'm taking the Mario Badescu facial spray, and I'm just missing my face before going in with the Benefit Cookie Highlighter. I like to start off with my brow bone and making a little C. Then I like to do my nose, and then I go with a bigger brush and really continue doing the highlight. I think it looks so pretty. I'm obsessed with Cookie. Cookie is such a good highlighter. Next, I'm going in with Urban Decay All Nighter. This is their new one with watermelon fruit extract. Love it. Then I'm going in with this Secret Volume Length Mascara. I like to curl my lashes really good with this. And then once they're curled, I like to go in with the mascara, give myself a good coat. Then I like to make 1,000,007 funny faces. I just thought I'd leave this in because I feel like you guys never really get to see my personality on here. Then I'm going in with my favorite false lashes. This is the Kiss Pompadour lashes, and if you've been with my channel for a really long time, you would know that I used to never wear false lashes, and now I'm obsessed with false lashes. So I don't know what happened. I think it was TikTok and the quarantine. I just love my false lashes and I can't not wear them. Next, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Mega Length Waterproof Mascara. This is my favorite. This is like $4. It is the best. I love it. So once I'm done with that, I like to go do my hair, so I'll be right back. Okay, now for lips. I did my probably what is my new favorite lip combo ever. It is Wherever Walnut from Makeup Forever. You just line your lips really nicely. I don't overline, none of that. And then I kind of blend it out with my finger just a little bit. And then I go in with e.l.f.'s lip oil in the shade Honey Talks, and oh my god, this lip combo is everything. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you want more videos like this, tell me in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!